Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Liz, and today I am coming to you from downtown Henderson again at the Water Street District. So I wanted to try out a new local casino that I have not been to before. So I'm looking forward to sharing this experience with you. Gonna try out a restaurant in here as well. I want to go in here, check it out, but there's also a second reason why I want to go in here, which I will reveal to you in a little while. But today we are going to the Pass Casino. So a little bit of history about the Pass Casino is that it originally opened in 1961 and was called Wheel Casino. Different owner than it is now. Only a year later, in 1962, the Wheel Casino was unfortunately closed and it went under new ownership, where it was then called the El Dorado Casino. So it was the El Dorado for many, many years, and then came March 2020 when it was ordered to be closed down by the state, just as every other casino in the state was due to COVID. And so at the end of 2020, it changed hands again, new ownership, and it was renamed the Pass, and it reopened in April of 2021. Believe it or not, there was only a 3-month window for renovations to take place, and to the tune of $7 million. And this included 2 new restaurants, an event space, and 2 bars. A new sports book was also added. They are also in the planning stages of adding a hotel. There are 350 slot machines, including video, poker, and keno, lots of penny machines, with the highest machine being $5. In addition to that, they have table games too. So if you enjoy this type of content where I go to various areas throughout the Henderson, Boulder City, Las Vegas area, show you different places to try and things to do, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also give me a like for good luck. All right, so the second reason why I'm here is because I've been watching a guy on YouTube, and he works on slot machines, and he's been doing it for years, and I guess helps, replacing the chips and repairs and programming and things like that. And he gives tips and information on ways to maybe increase your odds of winning at the slot machines, if that's really possible. Really what he does is gives you information on which machines pay more and how you can sometimes tell if they're about to hit. So what I'm trying to say is I am going to try out some of his tips and see if they work at some of these slot machines. Come on. Oh.
So what does he say? Does he say stay on one machine and don't move around?
No. Like if you feel like you're not really hitting anything or getting little wins, then you should probably just move to another machine. 30 bucks. Hey, it's better than nothing. Yeah. The mega bucks means that you win the whole thing, like the $11 million.
11 million? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
But you gotta get all 3.
Yeah. Come on, do something. What is that?
I don't know.
$240.
Are you kidding?
Look.
Oh, wow.
Sweet deal, my my friend just won $240.
So now I'm $40 up from 200.
It probably knew you were going to leave soon, so it's like, oh, let's give her something.
Just keep doing it?
I want to walk around and see what other machines are here. I'd like to find a higher denomination.
All right.
I don't know if they have them here. What are you going to do?
I'm just going to play this.
I see that you won again, $130.
I'm up to 350. 346.
Well, I feel like I want to sit here and watch you.
You should.
Oh man, what the hell's going? What's that? $120. All right. So listen, I specifically picked this machine because of tips that were given to me, not to me personally, no, that were given on YouTube by a guy called, I think it's called Cowboy Slots. I think he lives in Wyoming, but he wears a cowboy hat in a lot of his videos, and he comes out to Vegas and he shows you how he plays certain machines and how he wins. Well, I picked this one specifically because of him. I looked for the highest denomination, and in this casino, I believe it's $2. If anyone out there knows if I'm wrong, please let me know here at the pass. So my friend has won, I don't know, how much money have you won so far? $400, $500?
I started with 2.
Okay.
$360.
She started with $200 and now she is up $260, right? In addition to the $200 that you started with,
$260.
right? All right, well, good job. I feel like I want to keep watching. I don't want to leave. I'll just wait.
It's still $200 up.
You could walk away now and you'll have doubled your money. There's a salad bar. So as I mentioned earlier, there are 2 restaurants. The Italian restaurant was closed, so we tried Emilia's, which is a diner-style restaurant which is open 24 hours a day. For a diner, they have a really decent-sized menu. So my friend had the coconut shrimp and I had the fish and chips. Very good. All right, it's $2.99 for the early bird breakfast. Oh, from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. Pretty good. All right, let's go get a player's card. I won $4. So I ended up settling on the Dragon Link machine, but I didn't really like it. I really prefer machines with single pay lines, but thought I'd try it out since it had a $2 denomination available. I could not find the $5 machines that I thought this casino had. So far, that's my big win of the night, 45 quarters. I'll cash out. All right.
There you go. It's over. I'm sorry. Say goodbye to your fans.
So long, and thanks for playing.
Thank you. Hey, they had smoke-free slots. Here's a $5 machine. Oh, we finally see the $5 machine on our way out. That's what I was looking for. All right, well, at least we know there's a couple of them. Cowboy Slots' very first tip was to always walk the entire casino floor. Well, I walked the floor but neglected to walk this last hallway out to the parking garage, so I missed the $5 machines I went there for. All right, well, we are out of here. And my friend had good luck, so she won some money, although I didn't. I didn't like the machine that I was on. Personally, I like slot machines that only have one pay line anyways. And these ones with the crazy multipliers, the single pay line is a lot easier for me to figure out. Anyways, thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you again next time. And don't forget, if you want to see more content like this or be notified whenever I publish a new video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again soon.